Open up your MTT, date it for today's date. The title of this video is Finding the Equation of the Line. The formula that we're going to be using is y equals mx plus b, m equals b equals. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to write our formula. So it's going to be y equals mx plus b, m equals b equals. So the first thing that we need to do is find our m. Well, we know the formula for m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to label, here's x1, y1, and x2, y2. We're going to do our substitution step. M is equal to 5 minus 0 over 4 minus 5. And so we're going to go ahead and we're going to get our m equals 5 over negative 1. Hampton rule says the negative has to go up in the numerator. So negative 5 over 1 is my m. So I'm going to go ahead and put negative 5 over 1. And now I need to find my b. So in order to find my b, I'm going to take my equation y is equal to mx plus b. Now I'm going to pick an ordered pair that doesn't have any negatives in it. So I'm going to go ahead and pick my first ordered pair. So my y is 0, my m is negative 5, and my x is 5 plus b. So now I'm going to solve for b. So I'm going to do 0 is equal to negative 25 plus b. Is b on the left? It's not, so we're going to do symmetrical. B plus negative 25 is equal to 0. We're going to 0 pair out the 25. So we're going to have b is equal to 25. So now I know what b is. It's 25. So my answer, the equation, is going to be y is equal to negative 5 over 1 x plus 25. And that's how I find my equation of the line. Let's do the next one. So we're finding the equation of the line. So we're going to start with our formula. As soon as we hear the words equation of the line, we write y is equal to mx plus b, m equals, and b equals. All right? Now, I don't have to find m because they gave me m, so m is negative 2. So I just got less work to have to do. So now I have to find b. So to find b, I do y is equal to mx plus b. Now, I only have one ordered pair, so that 6 is going to go in for the y, and the 0 is going to go in for the x. So I'm going to have 6 is equal to, and my m is negative 2 times 0 plus b. So 6 is equal to 0 plus b. Is the b on the left? It's not, so I'm going to do symmetrical. B plus 0 is equal to 6. 0 pair out your 0. So b is equal to 6. So now I can write my equation. So my equation is y is equal to negative 2x plus 6. And that's my answer. Notice that my equation is always going to have an x and a y, or it's going to have at least one x or at least one y. All right, let's go to the next one. We're doing equation of the line. As soon as we hear equation of the line, we write y equals mx plus b, m equals b equals. So in this case, m is going to be 1/2. So I already know 1/2. I don't have to solve for it, but I do need to find b. So I'm going to write my equation. Y is equal to mx plus b. My y is negative 3. My m is 1/2, and my x is -2. So -3 is equal to 1/2 times -2 plus b. So -3 is equal to -1 plus b. Is b on the left? It's not, so we're going to do symmetrical. b plus -1 is equal to -3. 0 pair out your 1, so b is equal to -2. So now I have the two pieces I need for my equation. So my equation is going to be y is equal to 1/2 x plus -2, or y is equal to 1/2 x minus 2. Because remember, when we have the plus negative, we have to have our or. So those would be both of my answers. All right. Now, y-intercept, we have to translate that into an ordered pair. Every y-intercept, the value for x is going to be 0, and then 4 is the value for y. So y-intercept, x is 0, and then our y value is 4. So we're finding the equation of the line. So we're going to do y is equal to mx plus b, m equals b equals. Our slope we're given is 0, and now we're going to solve for b. So we're going to do y is equal to mx plus b. My y is going to be 4, my slope is going to be 0, and my x is going to be 0. So 4 is equal to 0 times 0 plus b. So b is equal to 4. Do our symmetrical. b is equal to 4. So we'll put our 4 in. So we're going to do y is equal to 0x plus 4, or y is equal to 4. And that is our equation. All right, now we have an x-intercept. When we have an x-intercept, y is 0. So we're going to find the equation of the line. As soon as we hear equation of the line, we write y is equal to mx plus b, m equals b equals. Our slope we're given is 3. So now we're going to solve for b. Y is equal to mx plus b. Our y is going to be 0. Our slope is going to be 3, and our x value is going to be 2. So it's going to be 0 is equal to 3 times 2 plus b. So 0 is equal to 6 plus b. Is the b on the left? It's not, so we're going to do symmetrical. b plus 6 is 0. 0 pair out our 6. b is equal to -6, so now we have our -6. So our equation of the line is going to be y is equal to 3x plus -6, or y is equal to 3x minus 6. And those would be our two forms of the equation. And that's how you find the equation of a line.